Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving headfirst into the electric revolution with a machine that looks like it rolled straight out of a cyberpunk movie, the 2024 Tesla Cybertruck. This isn't your average pickup truck. The Cybertruck throws out the rulebook with a bold, ultra-angular design that's sure to turn heads. Tesla says it's built with cold-rolled stainless steel, making it ultra-durable. They even showed it off by throwing a metal ball at the window during the unveiling, which, well, let's just say it wasn't the smoothest demo. But hey, durability is important, especially if you're planning on taking this truck off-road. Speaking of which, the Cybertruck boasts some impressive specs. We're talking about adjustable air suspension, all-wheel drive, and a towing capacity that can handle even the biggest jobs. Now, let's talk about what really matters: power. The Cybertruck comes in 3 electric motor configurations, offering a range of acceleration and towing options. The base model is still crazy fast, going from 0 to 60 in under 6.5 seconds, but if you need some serious launch power, the top-of-the-line tri-motor option will knock your socks off. A 0 to 60 in a mind-blowing 2.9 seconds. And the range? Tesla estimates the Cybertruck can travel up to 500 miles on a single charge, depending on the configuration you choose. That's enough to handle most road trips without breaking a sweat or needing to refill. The interior of the Cybertruck is a minimalist dream. It's all about clean lines and a focus on functionality. There's a massive touchscreen that controls most of the vehicle's functions, and seating for up to 6 passengers. Look, the Cybertruck isn't for everyone. Its radical design might not be for the faint of heart, and the price tag is sure to be on the hefty side. But for those who want a truck that's as bold and innovative as it is powerful, the Tesla Cybertruck is a game changer. So, what do you think? Is the Cybertruck the future of electric trucks, or a little too far out there? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more epic car content.